So this is the future of Australian manufacturing right here, where we've got a family-owned business employing 20-odd people that are literally manufacturing and deploying world-leading technology in over 55 countries around the globe. People wouldn't even know, driving past in Armidale, that this sort of cutting-edge technology is being designed and built right here within their own community. And this is terrific and an example of what regional communities can do and how regional communities are leading the way.
I started planning this event in November. Peter and I realised that we had a journey to tell, and so uncovered lots of historical material. Spent a lot of time filing it and cataloguing it. The history of the business starting in 1977 and culminating in today with us being in the world of IoT and the IoT platforms. A lot of planning, but I think it's been very successful, and we really appreciated people coming as far as Darwin, from Launceston, well represented by all government departments and customers and colleagues that we've known for an awfully long time.
The plant is the ultimate transducer. It is on the supply side monitoring soil moisture and soil physical condition, and on the demand side, atmospheric demand and fruit load. All I knew was that we had to measure the plant. I was an agronomist with a passion, but with a solid comprehension of the science needed and the principles involved to directly monitor plant water use. We needed to measure the plant water use and plant water stress, but how to do this? I travelled the world seeking scientists who had such solutions, found them and started collaborations to develop firstly sap flow and then infinitely technically more difficult, the stem cycrometer. Every day now our customers, both scientists and farmers, are developing new data, new knowledge and new management outcomes. They are scientists and farmers that are ahead of the crowd, whose drive for better understanding and better management outcomes are leading the way towards more efficient water use in agriculture and the environment.
The celebration here today is on many levels. It's the tenacity of Peter and Susan, it's the manufacturing of an awesome product, it's the collaboration between industry and science. Yeah, it's a very joyous occasion, and also the launch of their new facility.
We've had a very successful relationship with Peter and Susan. This is me talking personally as a scientist, but reflecting, I think, the scientific community's view of what they've achieved. I think we've constantly pushed the boundaries of the accepted scientific norm. The technology that Peter has either brought into the country or now developed allows us to be at the cutting edge. So they've always had the best technologies to achieve the best research, but also teaching. I mean, they've been very involved in helping us do teaching, because there's no point in having these sophisticated technologies if no one knows how to use them. I'm here on behalf of the scientific community really to say thank you to the both of you for your 40-year dedication to advancing science, and particularly soil science and plant science in Australia. So thank you very much for that.
It's great to see such wonderful innovation and outcomes from a company that's in regional New South Wales with such relevance to agriculture and to the industry of New South Wales.
What I love about collaborating with ICT International is that they are such an established company that's shown people the pathway to success. But it's really exciting to match them up with startups that we've got coming through with emerging technologies, and then really partnering, collaborating, and then growing business right across the region.